How did the real estate market do in October 24th in GTA? I'm Brian Khatambakhsh, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team with Remax Hallline. Please stay tuned to the end. I'm going to give you my special prediction, so don't miss this. You're going to love it. Let's look at the stats like we always do. And we always look at the market and not just the sales, but also inventory, because we believe in the supply and demand. And that is what dictates the price and the temperature of the market. For the October 2024, it looks like we had 44% more sales from October last year to 2024. That's a significant number. However, on the supply side, we also had 25% more listing in the market. So the sales went up by 44% and the inventory went up by 25%, which is not bad. Days on the market is almost the same as what it was last month. So last year to this year is 30% longer. It takes 30% longer to sell homes, from 33 to 43 days. And the average prices were almost unchanged. And as you recall, since last month, we are also talking about another factor, what we call the month of inventory. This is how you find out if it's a seller's market or buyer's market, by looking at how much inventory left in the market. It really means that if nothing comes in the MLS posted starting today, it's going to take today 5.12 months to use all the homes that are in the market for sale today. That number last year was 4.1, meaning that, again, there's a lot more inventory in the market. And because of that, the prices have not changed because buyers had options and they could negotiate better. Some of the highlights of the October. We know that mortgage rate change was introduced in September. For the fourth time, we had a rate cut by Bank of Canada. This time was 0.5. As some of you may remember, I predicted that. I said it's going to be a 0.5, and it happened to be a 0.5. Inflation also came down below the market expectation. However, there were a couple of things that needs to be discussed in this month. One of them is that the immigration policy has changed, so there will be a lot less, without getting into the details of it, a lot less immigrants who are coming to Canada. And therefore, the demand for housing will be less. And then condo market, to be honest with you, condo market has been oversupplied for the past little while. And it's going to be like that for another year or so minimum. So that is kind of dragging the market. So there's one sector of the market that's not doing as well as the other sectors, and that's the condo market. On the right side, if you want to find really good deals, you will find it in the condo market. All right? Naturally, because there's more for sale. What does it really mean to you? Is that some experts came out and mentioned that October 2024 was an inflection point, or like a turning point, or that turning point in the housing market. I don't believe that was the case. To my opinion, yes, we had the fourth interest rate cut. People start gaining confidence to the market. Homes are becoming more affordable every time there's a rate cut to a new sector of buyers in the market. Some people move from sidelines to come in, but I don't think it was enough to call it an inflection point. I think that we need to see more rate cuts and a recovery in the condo market so we can call it. And the question is, when will that happen? When will we having all these things going away, a market becomes healthy again? And that is my prediction. I predict that next rate cut, which is on the December time, coming up, I believe is in December 11th, it's about a month from today, it will be another 0.5% rate cut. That will be huge, because in addition to a 1.25 that we had, if they do another 0.5, will be a total of 1.75, which will eventually help market to come in. My personal prediction to you is that I really believe that 2025, these interest rates are going to really show their effect. It's going to start from the spring market in 2025 with a few more rate cuts that Bank of Canada is planning to do to help the economy. It's going to catch on fire a year from now in the fall of 2025. Things will start seeing multiple offers and prices start going up. What that really means for you is that there is a window of opportunity for everybody who wants to get in to do anything because the selections are there. Now, I know some people still come and say, I want more interest rate cuts before I move. Yes, but remember, more interest rate cuts means that more people will come in, and if the prices have not gone up yet, which will eventually will, you will not have the selections that you have now. This is one of the best times. Buyers have variety. It's like a buffet. They can choose, they can buy in their own terms and conditions, they can put financing conditions, inspecting conditions, and all that stuff. So if you're taking a little bit down the road and you keep saying, I want interest rate come down, it's time to start looking at these things a little bit more seriously. If you have any question about real estate market, always reach us. You know where to find us. You can call us or text us. We are here to help. Until next month, have a fantastic one.